In this video, we're going to talk about working with dates and time. We're going to be entering dates in this worksheet because we want to calculate the commission bonus based on these employees' time with the company. I'm going to enter a date in cell J1. Now I could type that in, but that was extremely exhausting. So I'm going to show you the shortcut for that. Now the shortcut to insert the date is simply Ctrl, then semicolon. Now this will enter the current date. If you need to just put the date right then and there, you can use that shortcut to put the date in. Now moving on to entering the date with a function. Now the reason you might want to do a function is because this cell will automatically update to the correct date if you use the function. So 7 days from now, it'll be October 12th. So we're going to use that function. Now, to do the function, I'm going to type equals and start typing the word today. Now, once it's highlighted, you can go ahead and double click it or press tab on your keyboard and it will enter the function for you. Now, today actually has no arguments. It will simply display the current date when you open the file. So I'm just going to put the right parentheses and then move on to the next cell. So for those of you who have to enter time, there's a shortcut to put the current time. And that simply is Control Shift and semicolon again. And you can see it enters the time and I can move on from there. Now that we have everything entered, let's do a formula to calculate the days of service using today's date and these employees' date of hire. So I'm going to go to cell H5 and I'm going to start typing. I'm going to start with equals, and we want today's date subtracted from the date of hire. So I'm going to start with J2. Now, at this point, we need to make this an absolute value because we will always want to use the function's result to pull in the current date. So I'm going to press F4 on my keyboard to put the dollar signs. Then I'm going to subtract by G5. At this point, we want to either press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard or click the check mark up here because we want to enter the data and keep that cell active because we're going to use the fill handle to fill it down. So now that we have the formula entered, we're just going to go to the fill handle and double click. Now, if you look down the commission column, you can see it calculated a particular commission rate based on the number of days they've been with the company. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.